Do you want to keep your Honda engine running like new? Regular oil changes are the secret to long-lasting performance, and today, I'm showing you how to do it yourself in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. Fresh engine oil recommended for your Honda model, a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Always check your owner's manual for the correct oil type and quantity. Step 1. Lift the car safely using a jack. Locate the oil drain plug under the engine and position the drain pan beneath it. Step 2. Use your wrench to loosen the drain plug and let the old oil drain completely. Take your time, this is essential for a clean replacement. Step 3. Place the oil filter and pour in the new oil using a funnel. Finally, check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is perfect. That's it. A quick and cost-effective way to maintain your Honda's engine. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car care tips. See you next time.